Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the two vaccines currently being used in India for COVID, that are Covishield and Covaxin. We will discuss about each of the vaccines separately. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Covaxin. The place of development for Covaxin is Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR and the National Institute of Virology. Talking about the type of vaccine, Covaxin is an inactivated viral vaccine. This means it contains the inactivated viruses which cannot infect a person, but they still contain the antigen which can trigger an immune response. Technology used. Technology used for Covaxin is whole virion inactivated viro cell derived technology. So, a virion is nothing but the entire virus particle. Let's have a look at the SARS-CoV-2 virus or the coronavirus. These red-colored spikes are the spike proteins of the virus that help in attachment of the virus with the cells lining the respiratory tract of humans. These orange-colored proteins are the membrane proteins or the M protein that is used to bind to other structural proteins. This yellow-colored protein is the envelope protein that performs functions like receptor binding. And lastly, this blue-colored part is the genome of the virus, that is the RNA. Coming to the dose of the vaccine, Covaxin has to be administered in 2 shots. The second dose has to be administered 28 to 42 days after the first shot. Let's see how the vaccine is administered. We know that these vaccines are intramuscular vaccines. So, in order to give the shot, the injection needs to be at a 90-degree angle. This is the muscle below the subcutaneous tissue where the vaccine is delivered. And this whole picture depicts the administration of the vaccine. Efficacy and side effects. According to the phase 3 clinical trials, the effectiveness of Covaxin is 81%, and people may experience side effects such as headache, joint pain, may feel feverish, and these symptoms don't persist for long and should go within 2 to 3 days. A question which many of the people are confused about is what is the minimum age of the beneficiaries who can take this vaccine. This lands us to the age of the beneficiaries. Covaxin can be injected into people above 18 years of age, and it is still unclear for pregnant women. The second vaccine is Covishield. So, Covishield has been developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. Talking about the type of vaccine, Covishield is a viral vector vaccine. And to explain this, we need to understand the technology used. Basically, a chimpanzee adenovirus ChAd-OX1 has been modified to enable it to carry the COVID-19 spike protein into the cells of humans. This will not infect the humans but will trigger an immune response which will develop immunity against the virus. You must be thinking what adenoviruses are. Adenoviruses are a group of non-enveloped viruses which infect the lining of eyes, airways and lungs, intestines, urinary tract and nervous system. Coming to the dose of the vaccine, Covishield is also a 2-shot vaccine where the difference of time is 84 days between the first and the second shot. Dose is about 0.5 milliliters given in the upper arm region. Efficacy and side effects of Covishield. The effectiveness of Covishield vaccine is nearly 90% as per the global reports. And people may experience side effects such as headache, joint pain and may feel feverish. Age of the beneficiary. Age of people who can take this vaccine is same as Covaxin, that is above 18 years of age. Now comes the main question, that which vaccine should you take? Both of the vaccines are safe to be taken and you should try to get vaccinated by either one of them because this will ensure your safety from the virus and will end this pandemic. Don't believe out any rumors about the vaccines that they are not effective and all. So that is it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, follow us on Instagram and check out the description.